Put your hand through the thing here. Nice and steady. I see the looks, I see it. Alright, here we go. Okay, Angelo, let go. Good man. Push it right off of there, dude. Is it off? Come on, Angelo. Well, just let the rope trail and then... He's not much of a flipper, is he?
Get it?
Oh.
Inside the other side.
We made it!
I'm trying to think. Last time it may have been 20 years.
Well, this part here is going to be a little.
Let's pull it all in. That's like we went to the Caribbean on one of these.
What, the catamaran?
Yeah,
That size?
bigger than that.
Because there was a group of you on the boat, right?
Bigger than that.
Now, what is the advantage of the catamaran? It's more stable.
Oh yeah, much bigger and roomier. It's nice.
Hi, Ray. This is a wonderful, wonderful trip in San Diego. Imagine. Really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ray. Happy birthday to
you. Hey! That's 32 and counting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Ray.
on top of each other. Right
He's
there.
now 32 years old.
That's some new ones.
That's pretty funny because my last birthday was on a boat too.
Yeah.
Who else needs
Cheers.
champagne?
Ah, cheers.
My cup. Debbie, do you have champagne?
No, it's. Oh, thank you.
All right. Gary? You don't have champagne? No? Okay.
Yep.
You having some, Jerry?
Yeah, I'm having champagne.
No, I think that's all. Do you have yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
You? Well, there's none left.
No, I don't want any.
Oh, you don't?
I don't drink. Oh, well, yeah.
All right.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
All right. Here, honey, haven't you seen present?
Is that my present?
That's
This is your present, honey. Okay. Break out the chocolates. Who wants the turtle and who wants the truffle?
I want one of each.
Dark turkey.
just checking out the whole scene.
You get one of each.
No, it's okay. I'll try one first. I'm gonna.
Oh, okay.
I'll put it in.
Janet's just
All right.